What is up guys, another site. In this video I'm going to show you how you can see that how many accounts are connected to your Facebook and Gmail. So first you need to head over to myaccount.google.com, and after that here when you are redirected to the home page you need to click on security. After clicking on security here you will see your connections to third-party apps and services when you scroll a bit down, and then simply click on see all connections. After clicking on see all connections, the list will expand. And here, as you can see, I have connected 74 apps to my Google Gmail. Scroll down carefully until you find the Facebook account. I'll just simply find it for you. Finding the Facebook, simply click on this. And after clicking here, you will open this page, and after opening here you will see all the IDs or all the accounts that are connected to your Facebook via Gmail. So if you want to see more details, just simply click on see details and then just simply sign into your Facebook account, and then you will be able to see in a more detailed way. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.